Open Looker Studio in your web browser, sign in with your Google account, then click the blue Create button and select Report from the drop-down menu. When the Add Data to Report window appears, scroll through the list of connectors until you find Google Sheets and click it. You'll be prompted to authorize Looker Studio if you haven't connected a Google account before. Just follow the on-screen permissions, and once that's done, you'll be able to browse your Google Drive directly from within Looker Studio. Navigate to the folder where your spreadsheet is stored. Click on the file name, and then select the specific worksheet or tab you want to use as your data source. Make sure the checkbox for Use First Row as Headers is enabled, because that tells Looker Studio to treat the top row of your sheet as column names rather than data. This is critical for your charts to make sense later. You can also check Include Hidden and Filtered Cells if you have rows you've hidden in sheets that you still want included in your report. Otherwise, leave it unchecked. Click Add in the top right corner, then click Add to Report, and Looker Studio will load your spreadsheet into a clean data source that's now ready for visualization. Once the data source loads, you'll see a list of fields on the right side of the screen. These are your column names, now converted into dimensions and metrics that Looker Studio can understand. Take a moment to scan through them and verify that each field has the correct data type assigned. For example, a column of dates should be marked as date, a column of currency amounts should be currency, and plain text should be text. If Looker Studio misidentifies a type, say it reads a column of numeric IDs as text, click the field's three-dot menu and choose a more accurate type from the drop-down. This step is where beginners often trip up. A date column recognized as text will break any date-based chart you try to build, and a numeric column treated as a dimension instead of a metric will give you sums of labels instead of meaningful numbers. Fixing data types now saves you from puzzling errors later. Now you're ready to build your first visualization. Click the Add a Chart button in the toolbar, and from the gallery that appears, select a chart type that fits the story you want to tell. A bar chart works well for comparing values across categories. A line chart is ideal for trends over time, and a table is perfect for seeing raw numbers side by side. Click once on your chosen chart type, then click anywhere on the blank report canvas to place it. You'll see a panel on the right where you can set up the chart's dimensions and metrics, drag a text or date field from the data source into the dimension slot, and drag a numeric field into the metric slot. For a simple example with a sales spreadsheet, you might set product name as your dimension and total sales as your metric, and the bar chart instantly fills in with your data. Build more visualizations to build out your dashboard. Insert a scorecard by clicking Add a Chart again, selecting Scorecard from the gallery, and placing it on the canvas. For the scorecard, you only need a metric. Choose something like total revenue or number of orders, and it will display that single number in a large, bold font, perfect for a headline KPI. A table is also a safe next step. It shows your raw data in rows and columns, which is helpful for viewers who want the details behind the charts. To insert a table, pick Table from the chart gallery, then add both dimensions and metrics as you did with the bar chart. You can adjust column widths and sorting directly in the Table's Properties panel. As you add more charts, Looker Studio automatically saves your report. You don't need to manually save anything. Before you share your dashboard, give it a polished look and verify it works correctly. Click on the canvas background to select the report level. Then use the Theme and Layout tab on the right to choose a color scheme that matches your brand or just looks clean and professional. Rename your report by clicking the default title, Untitled Report at the top, and typing something descriptive like Monthly Sales Dashboard. Now switch to View mode using the button in the top right corner. This shows your dashboard exactly how your audience will see it. Scroll through every chart and table to confirm the numbers look right and that no fields are showing error messages like no data. If something is off, click Edit to return to editing mode. Double-check your chart setup and adjust data types or field assignments as needed. The real power of connecting Google Sheets to Looker Studio is that your dashboard stays live. When you update your spreadsheet, adding new rows for the next month or correcting a figure, simply return to your report. Open the Resource menu, choose Manage Added Data Sources, and click the refresh icon next to your sheet's name. Your charts and tables will update to reflect the latest data within seconds, without you having to re-import anything. To share your dashboard, click the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of colleagues or clients, and set their permission level to Can View if they only need to see the report, or Can Edit if they need to make changes themselves. You can also copy the report link and paste it into an email or a team chat. Anyone with the link and the appropriate permissions will see the live, accurate version every time they open it. You've now connected Google Sheets to Looker Studio, verified your data, built charts, and shared a live dashboard that automatically reflects spreadsheet updates. This workflow saves you from manually copying numbers each week and gives your team a single source of truth they can check on demand. As you grow more comfortable, try blending multiple sheets in the same report, adding date range controls so viewers can filter by month or quarter, or creating calculated fields to compute profit margins or year-over-year growth. Save this video so you can come back to these steps whenever you build your next dashboard, and in no time you'll be turning spreadsheets into insightful interactive reports for any business decision.